Exercise 4. In listening to lengthy statements, we will retain the speaker's information more efficiently if we organize ideas mentally as we listen. In other words, you hear a speaker on a cooking show describe how to make onion soup. You might listen to the steps explained. Melting the butter, sauteing 4 to 6 onions for 30 minutes, and adding broth, all the while mentally repeating and retaining these points.
Part of the sum we aren't constantly conscious of our arms. With each and every breath of fresh air we share this warfare, but it's all over there, so help them if you can. But you should leave them if you can't. There'll be more damage done now if you turn and run. Surrender your guns, the cool's won. Nothing good's been done since when we learned to fly. Just mimicking birds we share the sky. And someday we'll fly away somewhere else into space, establishing us in a new place to devastate it with it anyways. Cause there's always new doomsdays. And it's all that falls apart just like your heart. It's as temporary as stones are sinking your heart buried beneath the sea. Ancient remnants of you and me, dissolved a modern day where it's pretty safe to say we have turned into something monstrous and overweight their various face, distinguishing your place. You'll never be ignored, all your information stored indefinitely, be of one accord. You can never afford it with it anyways, because there's always new doomsdays. And solid falls apart, it's just like your heart. It's as temporary as stones are burning your heart and gets pulled into the sun. Just normal organism. It's all the same concept, whatever made of this mess, expressed with the intelligence of conflict. Sick intellect disfigured from the sounds. And I guess the devil makes his rounds. Your soul gets swept away, blinded by the light of day. It's ignorance since it's convinced. Makes no real sense, like when we learn to fly. Mimicking birds we share in the sky. And someday we'll fly away somewhere else into space, establishing us in a new place to devastate it with it anyway. Cause there's always new doomsday. And the solid falls apart, it's just like your heart. It's as temporary as stones are sinking your ark. You'll die beneath the sun, guaranteed you'll be done. It's as permanent as one day sun. We're all